Hey YouTube, welcome back to my channel. It is your girl Neriah. For those who are new here, do not forget to like, comment, and subscribe, girl. Hey y'all. I'm doing another wig review today. Huge shout out to ZSF Hair for sponsoring today's video. Over this gorgeous 26 inch 13 by 6 frontal unit. You guys, this hair is amazing. I can definitely tell just by taking it out the package that this is something that will last me a very, very long time. I love this hair. I love this hair. I love this hair. It is so gorgeous. They did a wonderful job with the highlight. It's not too bold. It's very, very, very beautiful. So you make sure you check out the description box below, and then of course check out anything else they may have on their website. I'm sure they'll get you right. As always, you guys, thank you so much for watching this video. If you want to see me install it, if you want to get all the deets, baby, make sure you keep on watching, and until next time, I will see y'all later.